Open the Teams app. Type in your Morley email address. This will be numbers@morley.ac.uk. Touch Sign In. You will see the Morley Sign In page. Type in your password and touch Sign In. You may need to add a phone number or an email address you use a lot. This helps you to change your password if you forget it. Type in the email address you have chosen. Type in the code you were sent and touch Finish. You are now signed in. Touch the Teams icon to see your classes. Touch the calendar icon and touch Join on the right day. Enjoy your class!